What's up everybody? Today we're looking at one of my favorite and most affordable 5-bedroom floor plans in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This particular builder has many communities around the metroplex, so this exact floor plan is available in many different cities depending on your price point. One of the least expensive locations I found right now for this floor plan is in Haslet, Texas, which is a great community just outside of Fort Worth. This floor plan is listed over there at just $423,596, and they're currently offering an additional $25,000 in incentives to use however you'd like. So if you use the full $25K for a purchase price reduction, you're looking at just $398,596 for over 3,000 square feet. That's an incredible deal. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a game room, a 2-car garage, and is 3,050 square feet. Downstairs you have the master suite and 1 guest bedroom with a full bathroom. And upstairs you have the game room and the remaining 3 large guest bedrooms with 1 full bathroom. If you're interested in learning more or want to know if this floor plan is available in a city near you, or if you'd like to go take a look, give me a call or shoot me a text at 214-957-2001.